Wow, what a day. What's going on, folks? Fitzcam here. I'll show you where I'm at, my office for the weekend. I'm done for the day. The rest of the crew is still out there working. It's high school football. I want to show you something cool though. Production trucks. Stand by. Oh, we get Grubhub delivery for dinner. Just saw them run in. Holy cow, I'm out of breath. There's a game going on out there, a bunch of cameras and audio and gear set up. It's all running through this fiber, coming back into the truck. Let's take a look inside. I gotta be quiet though when I go in there.
Slim, I'm here.
Setting up the next replays.
All the smoke, bro. He walks it like he talks it. Post Donovan. I'll run by Jordan Anderson. 10 yards. Yep, take 7. Big third down here. Trillion boys, Julian Lewis. Let's see if they bring the blitz.
All start again. Second turnover down. Who said James?
And that will be another turnover
on this side. Or there's a bunch of kids behind your side.
You can type
Yeah, we can walk over there.
They were
Take two. Those kids, ready 4. There's a whole bunch of 4. There you go.
Hey Tom, what's the energy?
We're ready for 5.
It's
Grade 7. Take